Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall EA app and fix stuck uninstalled detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the uninstallation of the EA app, first, open your computer. Navigate to the Start menu located in the lower left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Control Panel and press Enter. Once the Control Panel opens, click on Programs. Now, select Programs and Features to view the list of installed applications. Scroll through the list until you find the EA app. Click on the EA app to highlight it. Then, click the Uninstall button located at the top of the window. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation. If the uninstallation process seems stuck, keep calm. Begin by checking your Task Manager. You can access Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys together. Look for any processes related to the EA app. If you find any, select them and click on End Task. Now, try the uninstallation process again. If the issue persists, you may need to use a dedicated uninstaller tool. Search online for a reputable third-party uninstaller tool that supports EA app removal. Download and install the tool according to its instructions. Once installed, open the uninstaller. Locate the EA app within the tool and select it. Follow the tool's instructions to fully remove the app from your computer. After the uninstallation is successful, restart your computer. This helps to ensure that all components are cleared from your system. If you still encounter issues, consider checking for leftover files. Go to the installation directory, which is usually found in the Program Files folder. Delete any remaining EA app folders you find there. Finally, scan your system for any registry entries related to the EA app. Use caution when modifying the registry. If you're unsure, consider researching proper registry management or seeking professional help. Once you have completed these steps, the EA app should be fully uninstalled. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.